Forgive my appearance, I'm going to the gym twice today because life is nice. Here we go, we are shooting in a room. I just thought I'd show you another serviced accommodation bedroom, just because many of you will have seen them and you'll have experienced them yourselves, but let me just show you. This is a 2-bed flat. It's not enormous, so this is the second double bedroom, and all we try and do is give it a sense of home. Now, we are missing the blind, but that's okay because we're locked off today for photographs, but we absolutely need that blind to be put in the next couple of days. And this theme clearly is purple and lavender. So here's our tray, which we only put in for the photographs. And then we've got some, and they are plastic, and I don't really like plastic flowers, but at the same time, they do look good. We've got some plastic lavender there. We've got a really nice picture of lavender there, and then the classic mirror. So it's not an enormous room, but we just put a really nice selection of cushions. And you'll notice we don't have a chest of drawers in this room because it's too small, but what we do have over the door is a bunch of hangers. And my OCD is affronted because, Josh, those hangers don't match. Josh is laughing. Josh is used to this. But it counts, that sort of stuff. It does. Yes. So I just thought I'd briefly show you a small serviced accommodation room, but actually it's up together. The carpet is immaculate, the walls are immaculate, but we do need to get a new blind, and I'll get Josh to measure that now and order it while he's here, because of course we've got internet here. See you soon. Bye.